in here? 1 bag, 2 bags, old bags, new bags. So many bags. What will I do? I think I'll turn them into something new. Hi, this is Rozani. Welcome to my Earth Day project. Here we go. There's a bag inside of a bag. And I add a little rubber band and it kind of creates a little ball at the top. Might be able to work with this. Let's see, I can make another shape. Make this one a little bit longer. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what happens. Believe it or not, this is random. I had no idea, so I was going to surprise myself. Okay, so I'm going to play with it until I come up with an idea. Let's see, it's kind of oval shaped, isn't it? Yeah, I think I'll make a fishy. It turned out to be a pleasant surprise. I'm going to cover it with Papier paper strips dipped in liquid starch. I let this dry for a few hours in front of a fan. Then I begin adding more creature features. I've started right here at the top of the fish. And I'll dabble with the features here and there to see what I can come up with. It's just going to be a fantasy fish. Starting out something like this. It only takes a bit of imagination and a lot of fun. And that's what I'm having. I hope you'll be able to enjoy a recycling project. You can do many things. And if you're not sure, I welcome any of your questions in the comments below. Any day is a good day to repurpose or recycle, but this one is special. I'm using recycled pieces of paper from flyers and also pieces of napkins and other papers that I could find. Some new, some used. And they all come together. Instead of throwing away all of your plastic bags, perhaps you could recycle them into a similar project. There's so many possibilities. But I hope that this gives you an idea of what can be done. It'll take a few days to complete this project. But one thing is for sure, I've had a lot of fun along the way. Let me know about some of your papier mâché recycling projects in the comments below. I'd love to hear about them. You can be as subtle or as bold as you want with the colors and the textures. Like this little guy. It is a work in progress still, but for now, I want to show you what you can do with the other shape. Make a parrot or a bird. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you'd like to receive updates and notifications, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Have a happy Earth Day.